My job is to schedule production based off of the orders that are placed through customer service in our online system. So all the orders will roll in, and it's my job to divvy them up amongst the production line so that we can produce them and deliver them to our customer. I use a lot of conflict resolution to do my job. We work close, so you have to have good people skills. You got to be able to explain what's going on, where's the demand at, where's our goals at, what can we do. You need to be able to multitask a lot because there's a lot of things that go into producing the schedule for a manufacturing company. I started at Paradigm in the late summer on third shift in the screen department. And from there I moved from screen department to grid department to glass line, and from glass line I moved to spec shop SDL area. And I applied for the scheduling position after that. When they posted for the scheduling position, I had just finished taking classes and received my certificate in Microsoft applications, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to use what I had learned. And I mean, I've been on the production floor for over a year, so I thought I had some insight to the way things were flowing and thought perhaps I could bring something useful to the table. I love my job. It's kind of funny because when people ask me what I do, it's a little hard to explain. And if you asked me 10 years ago what I would be doing right now, I would not have picked this, because when I started here, I didn't know it was a thing. But I get a lot of pride, especially starting from the floor and working my way up to where I'm at. Because I've worked with a lot of people out there that have been here 10 or 20 years, and I have a lot of respect for them and what they've taught me. And I obviously can grow here, which is great, because a lot of places you feel like you get into and you feel like you can't go anymore, you can't move forward, or you've plateaued and you've hit somewhere, but there's always seemed to be an avenue. I think Paradigm has helped me grow to the level that I'm at now, and they've been very supportive in helping me grow and giving me plenty of opportunities to go farther. I started here relatively young. I was in my early 20s, and at the time I did need a job. I started here on third shift, and I said, well, this is just a stepping stone in my life. If I need to move on to something else, then I'll get there, but this is what I need to do now. And doing it, I learned a lot about myself. It's a lot about personal growth. I've never touched a power tool in my life, so to start here on an opposite shift of everybody else in my family and to be working with power tools is really scary. It was just not something I do. It's completely out of my comfort zone, but I learned from it. I learned about what I could do, what I could achieve, and that was great. It pushed me to do more, learn more. I changed departments, I changed roles, I changed responsibilities, and I think those things built my character better. It made me a better person, not only for Paradigm, but personally. I learned that I could do more than maybe I thought I could.